Hello and welcome to the Hiccup. Thanks for making your way in. We want to show you some of the local products and makers we have here in the shop, and we're excited to show you today, especially for Valentine's Day. Check this out. Of course, we've got our new French press, really cool candles here. And then we've got these really cool creations from our friends over at Saltos Point Provisions. She hand felts each one of those creations, and right behind there for $90 is one of her mussel shell wreaths. Check that out. We've also got our really cool hand magic cream. And I wanted to show off some jewelry that I have from a local creator and maker down on Cape Cod called Aqua. She has these really gorgeous earrings, and she takes these semi-precious stones and gems and creates the intention of whatever that stone is. This is one of my favorite to wear. I believe it's labradorite. I'm not the best at knowing all these gem things, but it helps keep my energy balanced and those away from me who may not be the most positive. Keep that energy separate from mine if they happen to cross paths with me. And we're going to show you some more, so let's go. Let's keep coming in. So we've got Miscellaneous Goods. They make these really cool playing cards. He's out of Kentucky. We've got the diffusers. Of course, we have our Love Our Local. This one here is a combination of a variety of local places. Then we have the very popular Love Our Local with Cafe Avolino and Swampscott massage. And how cool are these? They're all over the shop. Thank you so much, Signs by Miko, for helping to create a really fun environment inside here in the shop. If you're not able to come in, we're open all the time online. thehiccup.net. Click on Shop Now. We may not have every single item that you'll see in a video, but feel free to give us a call, 781-581-8885, and we are more than happy to talk you through the shop, send you some pictures, FaceTime, text, whatever it is that you would like to help create for a loved one this Valentine's Day, or even some self-love, which is just as important. Thanks again, friend, for visiting with us here at The Hiccup. We hope to hear from you either online, www.thehiccup.net, or 781-581-885, or come on in. We're at 158 Humphrey Street, Seaside in beautiful Swampscott. We have so many neighbors along here. You could do a lunch next door at Lincoln's Landing. You could go up to Cafe Avolino, G Restaurant, of course, Mission on the Bay across the street. We've got Miramar Print Shop. They're a wonderful opportunity to go in and see some local artists and printers. Stop on by Humphrey Street. Hope to see you soon.